Jai Srimanarayana. Second sloka of 15th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Adhascha urdhvancha prasrutaha tasya sakhaha गुणप्रवृद्धा विषयप्रवालाः अधश्च मूलानि अनुसन्ततानि कर्मानुबन्धीनि मनुष्यलोके Om. Realize that karma is the main root for the clutch of this entire birth and death cycle. That is why start making sure that every of your activity, every of your action is transformed as service to Sri Krishna Paramatma. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam Saranam Vraja Ma Suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I realize that karma is the main root for the clutch of this cycle of birth and death. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall start making sure that every of my action and activity is carried out and transformed as a service to you. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टु श्रीसुखयोगीन्द्र. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु नरनारायण चतुर्मुखब्रह्मा सरस्वती देवी व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत्. ಶ್ರೀಮದ್ಭಾಗವತಮು ದಶಮಸ್ಕಂಧಮು 10th ಸ್ಕಂಧಂ 290th ಡೇ. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Sri Krishna Paramatma with his divine, beautiful, delicate feet. He is dancing on the hoods of Kaliya. Tam nartum udyatam avekshya tada tadiya Gandharva Siddha Municharana Deva Vadvaha. To see that Sri Krishna Paramatma's Nrutyam, Tandava Nrutyam, all the Devatas, all the Gandharvas, Charanas, Munis, Siddhas, they all came down and watching Sri Krishna Paramatma's Nrutyam. All the Gopalas and Gopikas, they are also watching Sri Krishna Paramatma's Nrutyam. Gandharva and all other divine entities, they are making so many beautiful sounds. They are using their instruments according to, in tune with Sri Krishna Paramatma's dance. Pushpopahara nutibhihi sahasopaseduhu. While doing that, Gandharvas and all other devatas, they are showering flowers on Sri Krishna Paramatma. Ghana Yamuna Nadi Kallola Ghoshambu Sarasa Mrudanga Ghoshambu Kaga Sadhu Brundavanachara Chancharika Ganambu Gayaka Suganambu Kaga. All the waves in Yamuna river, they are making beautiful sounds in tune with Sri Krishna Paramatma's dance. And all the butterflies making their sounds in tune with Sri Krishna Paramatma's dance. And all the Deva, Gandharva, all the people, they are all watching. They became audience to Sri Krishna Paramatma's dance. Krishna Paramatma dancing, doing Tandava Nrutyam in tune with all these sounds, and he is making all the devatas enjoy watching his dance. He is making all the gopikas and gopalas enjoy watching his beautiful dance. Nalina lochana vikhyata nartakundu nitya naipunyamuna nrutyamade mahita kaliya phanipana mandapamuna. Kaliya's wide hoods is a stage. On that stage, the great dancer, the world famous dancer, Sri Krishna Paramatma, with great amount of skill and efficiency, he is dancing beautifully. He is doing his Tandava Nrutyam. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashetravo Vinihataha Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 15th chapter 2nd sloka. Adhaschordhvam prasrutaha tasya shakhaha guna pravruddha vishaya pravalaha adhascha moolani anusantatani कर्मानुबन्धीनि मनुष्यलोके अधश्चोर्ध्वं प्रसृताः तस्य शाखाः गुणप्रवृद्धा विषयप्रवालाः अधश्च मूलानि अनुसन्ततानि कर्मानुबन्धीनि मनुष्यलोके श्रीमन्नारायणा करिष्ये वचनं तव सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. जय श्रीमन्नारायण.